Hyaosung TNC is creating a virtuous cycle for the Earth through our Eco-Eye initiative, looking at the Earth with our eco-conscious textile technology. In 2007, Hyaosung TNC succeeded in developing regen nylon, the world's first high-quality nylon yarn extracted from discarded fishing nets and ropes. Hyaosung TNC's recycled polyester fiber, regen polyester, was successfully commercialized and manufactured by extracting valuable components from discarded PET bottles for the first time in Korea. Becoming a new leader in the eco-friendly era, shaping a better tomorrow through sustainable technology.